Welcome to our thrilling and sometimes comical journey through the world of top extreme sports fails. In this video, we've compiled the most jaw-dropping, eye-widening, and unexpectedly funny moments from adventurers who dared to push the limits in some of the planet's most breathtaking and exotic locales. Each segment not only showcases the fails and falls, but also highlights the stunning beauty of these exotic locations, making it a visual treat for both sports enthusiasts and travel lovers. We've included slow-motion replays for a closer look at these breathtaking moments, where ambition meets gravity. Remember, while we marvel at these daring feats and their sometimes humorous outcomes, safety always comes first. These athletes are trained professionals who understand the risks involved in their sports. So, sit back, buckle up, and enjoy this roller coaster ride of these adrenaline junkies of top extreme sports.
Bad luck with the jump on this.
Oh, this is a tough one, Amp.
It's enjoyable.
Remember to look up right here. Yeah.
Check back here.
Look at me. 3, 2, 1. Oh no! Wait!
He definitely saw the purple.
Yeah, he did.
That was amazing.
Ako taderam ta segment.
¿Preparada?
Vamos.
3, 2, 1, Laura.
Holy shit! What the Oh my god! Was that supposed to happen? I don't know. Does that hurt? I would imagine that was gonna hurt. Did that hurt? Gordon, did that...
You okay, Dave?
Come on.
Stop it. Whoa! Come on. Oh! Oh! That is okay?
It's okay.
3, 2, 1. Yeah.